problems, the man is having the tendency to come in which direction? Downward direction. By which force? mg. Opposite to that, what will act? Friction will act. So, what is the maximum velocity of the man so that he cannot fall? That is what we have find out. So, in that maximum velocity of the man, what is the formula we got? V is equals to under root, what is that? Root Rg by mu. Mu also there, no, friction is there. Under root Rg by mu is the death well problem answer we got. And after that, we have seen the conical pendulum. In conical pendulum, tan theta we got. What is the tan theta value? V square by Rg. Tan theta is equals to V square by Rg we got for the conical pendulum. After that, we have discussed the banking of the roads. I said three types of problems will come in the banking of the roads. One is with the friction, without banking. Banking is not there, only horizontal road we have seen. On that horizontal road, with friction is there, but banking is not there. Next type of problems what we have discussed, with banking, without friction. Banking is there, but friction is not there. In that also we got some formula. And after that, we have with banking and then with friction. In the two types of problems will be there. One is whenever the car is moving with more speed, at that time what happens? Whenever the car is moving with a less speed, then what happens? For example, with banking, with friction, banking is there, on that a car is moving with more speed, then what happens? High speed. It will skid in which direction? Outward direction. That is one kind of problem. Whenever the car is going very slowly on the inclined plane, nothing but inclined banking of the road, the car is going very slowly, then what happens? It will skid in which direction? Downward direction. Towards the center it will skid. So that the friction will act in the opposite direction. In whichever the direction the motion is there, for that exactly opposite direction what will happen? Nothing but friction will act. So in that, first of all, let us revise again. Why? Because your memory is very sharp. You'll remember everything. Very good, Yuvaraja. Very good. ಈ ತರ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಆ ತರ. So that I have taken the horizontal road, horizontal ring road I have taken. On that, a car is moving. A car is moving. Inwards velocity is there, inward direction. Nothing but it like this horizontal road is there, ring road is there. In that the velocity is there inwards of the plane. Then what happening? Obviously downwards who is acting? mg is acting. Upwards who is acting? Normal reaction. Now whenever it is just moving on a circular track, it is having the tendency to move in which direction? Outward direction only, right? It is having the tendency to skid off in the outward direction. See that? I said already, in banking of the roads, we will discuss about the skidding case only. Not on the running case. If you take the running case, nothing but it is running forward, so that friction will act in backwards, you say. But we are not discussing about that. Our problem is it will skid or not skid. That is the main problem. So that whenever the car is moving on the circular track, then what happens? Nothing but it is having the tendency to be thrown outwards. Always whenever you are running in a circular track, then you will fall outwards. Why? Your legs will go outwards. Obviously your body will fall in the inwards only, but your legs will go in which direction? Outward direction only. So as per your speed. If your speed is more, nothing but it will be thrown outwards. If your speed is less, nothing but it will be thrown in the inwards direction. Now whenever the car is running on the horizontal circular road, at that time it is having the tendency to skid off in which direction? Nothing but outward direction. So outward direction, it is having the tendencies to skid off in the outward direction because of which force? Centrifugal force. Whenever the car is moving in a circular track, otherwise it is moving a circular motion, then what happens? On that always which will act? Centrifugal force will be acting. Centrifugal force I have taken. Why not centripetal? Why not centripetal? Yes, very good. It is accelerating body. All the accelerating frames are which frames? Non-inertial frames. On that non-inertial frames, which force will act always? Pseudo force will act. So the pseudo force of centripetal is which one? Nothing but centrifugal force. Exactly equal and opposite to the centripetal. So this is a centrifugal force. It is the tendency to move in which direction? It is having the tendency to fly off in the outward direction. So friction will act in which direction? Opposite direction. That is the friction direction. Now the vehicle has to be in on the circular track only. It should not fall off nothing, but which should be greater? Friction should be greater than the centrifugal force. If centrifugal force is more nothing, but at that time what happens? It will fly off outward direction. Now I am saying that it should be on the track only. It should be on the track only, nothing but the friction should be greater than or equals to the centrifugal force. Why equal? In equal case what happens? It is ready to skid off. Not yet skidded off, it is ready to skid off. So that friction should be greater than or equals to the centrifugal force. What is the friction formula for us? Mu into normal reaction greater than or equals to centrifugal force is mv square by radius r we have taken. By the way, you have to find out the velocity only. For that, v square is equals to v square less than or equals to what I can write? Mu into n into r divided by m. Then v square less than or equals to mu into n nothing but what? Mg only into r divided by m. M gets cancelled. V square less than or equals to mu gr. And v is equals to under root mu gr we got. This is what the formula. Correct or wrong? Correct only, no? Under root mu gr is the velocity. V less than or equals to under root mu gr. This is the velocity for the unbanked road and then with the friction. Unbanked road, this one is. Next case, we have discussed the banked road without friction. For the banked road without friction, we have taken the banking angle of the road is theta I have taken. Now on this, a vehicle is moving inverse, again velocity is there inverse. Now friction is not there. It is running with a velocity v, means what happens generally? Friction is not there, nothing but if the speed is more, nothing but it will be thrown in which direction? Outward direction. In that we have discussed one main important thing, whichever you said wrong answer. What is that? Centrifugal force direction. In which direction centrifugal force will be there? Along the positive x-axis or out of the radius only, no? Away from the radius only, not along the inclined plane. I clearly explained on that day. The centrifugal force will not be along the inclined plane, it will be just out of the radius. Always the centrifugal force will act in which direction? Radially outwards. Centripetal force will act in radially inwards, centrifugal will act radially outwards. So here centrifugal force will not act along the inclined plane. It will act always away from the radius. This is the radius of the circular track, so that away from the radius it will act. Now friction is not there, then it will be very easy. Mg is acting obviously in the downward direction, and then in this direction what is acting? Normal reaction. That is not necessary, however, for us. Opposite to normal reaction what is acting? Mg cos theta, and then along the inclined plane what is acting? Mg sin theta. Now I want the components of Fc also. For that, if this angle is theta, means then this angle also what? Theta only. Now this is Fc, this is theta, means this component will be what? Fc cos theta, and the opposite component will be obviously Fc sin theta. You understand clearly? So that here people whoever come newly for this class, they might be confusing that here centrifugal force is acting in this direction, because always centrifugal force will act radially outward direction. See that this is the center here. So this is the inward direction, radially inwards. Exactly opposite to that what will happen here? Radially outwards. That is a centrifugal force will be there. Along the inclination, already everybody know that along the inclination mg sin theta will be there, opposite to the inclination mg cos theta will be there. Now you have to take the velocity of the car with which it will move with safely, and nothing but without skidding it will move. So for that purpose, I need along the inclination only. Why? Because the car is moving on the inclined road only, banked road only. So you don't need this and all. You need to take the components of that centrifugal force here. So this centrifugal force is there like this, and then here theta means this angle also exactly how much? Theta only. Now this is Fc, this is theta, means this will be what? Fc cos theta, the opposite will be Fc sin theta. Now here this is Fc sin theta, mg cos theta, opposite to that what is there? Normal reaction is there. By the way, this is frictionless inclined plane, otherwise frictionless banking of the road. So now for that, whenever you see this is Fc cos theta is there in the upward direction and then mg sin theta is there in the downward direction. I don't want it to skid. So that what you have to do? Which should be greater? Which should be greater? Fc cos theta na mg sin theta na? It should not skid off. Mg sin theta only should be greater. If Fc cos theta is greater nothing but this will be pulled in outward direction. Clear? So that what I can write here, mg sin theta should be greater than or equals to Fc cos theta. If it is equal, then what happens? It is ready to skid off, right? So that mg sin theta greater than or equals to Fc cos theta, then I want mv square by r only. So for that, mg sin theta greater than or equals to mv square by r into cos theta. Then m gone, and then I want velocity only, so that v square less than or equals to what I can write here? Tan theta into rg. Then v less than or equals to under root rg tan theta. I said these two formulas are related only. Why? What is the reason? Tan theta is equals to mu. In the case of angle of repose, tan theta is equals to what we will take? Mu we will take. So in the place of mu, tan theta only. That's it. Everything is as it is. Here friction is there, so that we got mu. Here friction is not there, so that we did not get mu. We got the angle only, directly tan theta angle only. Clear? Now this is about the problems whichever already we have discussed in the previous class. That is, one is with friction and then without banking. Another is with banking and then without friction. Now two cases will come. Those are with friction and then with banking. In that, if the speed is increasing, at that time what happens? Whenever the speed is decreasing, at that time what happens? What will be the maximum safest velocity? Whenever the speed is increasing, at that time maximum velocity na, we will get minimum velocity na. Maximum safest velocity na, minimum safest velocity na. See that whenever I am increasing my speed, maximum safest velocity, beyond that what happens? Nothing but I will be skidded off. Correct? Whenever you are falling inwards towards the center, nothing but at that time minimum safest velocity. Two formulas are very, very important. I said you already in previous NEET, directly formulas only they asked. Not the problems, directly 2 times it come. Maximum safest velocity. That is very important. Write that. These two are finished, no, already? Under that you just write centrifugal, about the centrifugal force. The centrifugal force acts radially outwards. The centrifugal force acts radially outwards, not along the inclination. Not along the inclination. Next heading, banked road with friction. Banked road with friction. Banked road with friction. Right, that find the maximum safest velocity of a car moving on A circular bank road. Moving on, a circular bank road. Now friction is there. Friction is there for the road and then tires. So of course again this is going inwards with a velocity v, going into the plane as per you, and then on that which kind of forces will act? I said friction is there. Yes sir. Tell me that first of all, which basic forces, tell me. Normal reaction will act. So mg will act, yes, very good. Normal reaction will act in the upward direction. Mg will act exactly in the downward direction. Along the inclination, what will be there? Mg sine theta. And then opposite to the inclination, what will be there? Mg cos theta. Yes. It is going at high speed. I said high speed, right? So that in which direction? Centrifugal force will act. Centrifugal force will act in radially outwards. Along the inclination, otherwise away from the center. Away from the center. So that exactly in this direction, centrifugal force Fc is acting. Okay, clear. Then friction is acting in which direction? In which direction? High speed. High speed I said, no? High speed nothing but whenever it is a high speed, you just practically you think, this is already everybody know that. Whenever it is going at high speed, then what happens? It will have the tendency to move in which direction? Radially outwards or inwards? Radially outwards. Whenever it is going at high speed, then what happens? It will be thrown off from the road. Yes sir. So it is having the tendency to move in the radially outward direction. The friction will act in which direction? Inward direction. Opposite direction only. So that in this direction the friction will act. Friction will act in this direction. Why? Because the car is moving at a very high speed. Whenever it is moving at high speed, then it will have the tendency to fly off in the away from the road. So that it is flying off away from the road, nothing but then the friction is acting exactly in the opposite direction. Now this is Fc. Here angle is theta, means this angle also much? Theta only. As this angle is theta, this component will be what? Fc cos theta. Fc cos theta, and then this component will be Fc sin theta. Everybody understood, right? All the forces. So whenever the car is moving at very high speed on a banked road, it will be fly off in the away from the road actually. It will be thrown in the outward direction. Whenever it is getting thrown in the outward direction, then what happens? It is moving in the outward direction, nothing but friction will act in which direction? Opposite direction. And also centrifugal force should act always radially outward. You don't think that this is the radius. This is not radius. You don't think that this is the radius. This is the radius. See that? This is the base of the road, right? Base of the road is this one. This one is the inclination, banking of the road we have constructed, so that always whenever you consider, so this is the base of the road generally we have taken. This is the base of the horizontal surface of the earth we have taken. Now on that we are banking the road, nothing but we are making at some angle, inclination, correct? We are making at some angle like this. Now whenever you consider a car is moving on this, whenever the car is moving, this is not the center direction. This one is the center of the circle, like this. Circle is there like this. You are able to assume that? So this is the circle. This is the circle like this, it is the circle. So for that circle, this is not the circle. You are able to assume that? I said this one is the banking of the road. No? So some of the people might be think that why not this is a center? Why? Because they might be thinking that centrifugal force will act in this direction. For that people I am saying, so whenever I have taken the inclined plane like this, then what happens? Nothing but the circle is not like this. Clear? The circle is exactly horizontal circle only. On that only you are constructing a banked road. So that whenever you consider this as a centrifugal force direction, directly centrifugal force direction, then what happens? It should be your radius. This should be the center of the circle, but this is not the center of the circle. This one is the center of the circle, like this. You're able to assume that? So that centrifugal force will act in this direction only, radially outward direction. This is the radially inward direction. So you will get component of centrifugal force here. That is what, nothing but Fc cos theta. Here angle is theta. Now I kept the car here. For that, centrifugal force is acting in the horizontal direction. So along the inclination, what we will get? Fc cos theta. Downwards, who is acting? Obviously mg. So along the inclination, who is acting? mg sin theta. Opposite to the inclination, mg cos theta. Whenever I kept the car here, then normal reaction is acting in this direction. Opposite to normal reaction, who is acting? mg cos theta, mg cos theta, and also Fc sin theta. These are the forces acting on the car which is moving on the banked road. So here mg sin theta is acting, and then friction is acting, Fc cos theta is acting. Okay. Then it is moving with high speed or low speed? High speed. Whenever it is moving with a high speed, then it is going in which direction? Outward direction. I don't want to make it, nothing but I don't want to skid it. Then what should happen? Which should be greater? Inward force should be greater, otherwise outward force should be greater. Inward force. It should not go outwards, nothing but inward force should be greater than the outward force. Obviously, for example, one person is pulling me in that direction, another person is pulling me in this direction. I don't want to go there. Then what should happen? Obviously, this force should be greater only. So the same thing is happening here also. So it should come in the inward direction, nothing but which should be greater here? mg sin theta plus friction. Mg sin theta plus friction should be greater than or equals to Fc cos theta. Now this greater than condition we will take later. First of all, let us solve with the equal only. Equal I will take. Now mg sin theta plus friction is equals to Fc cos theta. At this case, what happening? What happening to the car? Equal, nothing but both forces are equal, nothing but it is ready to skid off. Correct? So that mg sin theta plus F is equals to Fc cos theta. Now mg sin theta, then plus F, nothing but what is the formula? Mu into normal reaction. Mu into normal reaction is equals to Fc cos theta. Fc, nothing but what I can write? mv square by r into cos theta. Then see the derivation properly. This is little big derivation. So mu into, what is the normal reaction here? Tell me. Opposite to normal reaction, how many forces are there? Two forces. One is mg cos theta and Fc sin theta. Very good. So that mu into mg cos theta plus Fc sin theta. Fc, nothing but I will write again. mv square by r sin theta is equals to mv square by r cos theta. Finally, what you have to find out? Safest velocity only, no? So you have to derive for velocity only always. Now this is mg sin theta plus mu mg cos theta plus mu mv square by r sin theta is equals to mv square by r cos theta. Now write only v square one side, then mv square by r cos theta minus mu mv square by r sin theta. I am sending this one that side, that's it. Then remaining what is there? mg sin theta plus mu mg cos theta. What will get cancelled both the sides? M gets cancelled, no? M will get cancelled. Then here v square by r cos theta. I am taking v square by r common. V square by r common, then what is remaining? Cos theta minus mu sin theta. That is equals to g common, then sin theta plus mu cos theta. By the way, what you have to find out? Velocity only. So for that velocity, v square by r is equals to g into sin theta plus mu cos theta, that divided by what will come? Cos theta minus mu sin theta. Now v square is equals to rg into sin theta plus mu cos theta, that divided by cos theta minus mu sin theta. This is the velocity, and also even you can take the cos theta common here. Whenever you take the cos theta common, then what will happen here? I will divide with cos theta both the sides. Then what will get? Divide with cos theta for the numerator and then denominator. Then what happens? V square is equals to rg into sin by cos, nothing but tan theta plus mu, That's it. Cos theta by cos theta will be 1. That divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. Velocity is equals to under root rg into tan theta plus mu by 1 minus mu tan theta. This is a formula. The maximum safest velocity. This is a velocity maximum. After this velocity, what happens? Nothing but the car will be skid off. You understand it, everything? So main thing is here diagram only. You have to understand the diagram. Whenever the car is moving with high speed, nothing but it will fly in the outward direction. It will skid in the outward direction. Whenever it is skidding in the outward direction, then friction will act opposite to that. Nothing but inward direction the friction will act. So it is skidding in the outward direction, friction is acting in the inward direction. And also one more important thing is the centrifugal force is acting radially only in outward direction only, not along the inclined plane. So here radially outwards the centrifugal force is acting. I have taken the component here. Theta means this angle also theta only. Then Fc and then theta, this is Fc cos theta. Because of Fc cos theta, the car will be thrown outwards. So whenever it is throwing in outward direction, the friction is acting in the exactly opposite to that. Friction is acting in this direction. Obviously, whenever the car is moving outwards, nothing but along the inclined plane only it will move. So that along the inclined plane only the friction will act. And also along the inclined plane already you know that mg sin theta is acting. Then normal reaction, opposite to normal reaction, one of the mg component, what is that? Mg cos theta. And then if this is Fc, this is theta means this is Fc cos theta, this will be Fc sin theta. Now for the normal reaction, exactly we have two forces are opposite, that is n is equals to what I can write? Mg cos theta plus Fc sin theta. Why? Because vertically the body is in equilibrium. The body is moving only on the inclined plane only. So that n is equals to mg cos theta plus Fc sin theta we got. And after that, whenever you see this is skidding off nothing but it should not skid off, then what should happen? The inward force should be greater than the outward force. So inward force is what? Mg sin theta plus F should be greater than the outward force. Instead of greater, I have taken the maximum here. There is no problem in that. Whenever I consider equal nothing but it is ready to skid off. At that time, we got mg sin theta plus F is equals to Fc cos theta. Fc cos theta. Then mg sin theta plus F. F nothing but what? Friction. Mu into normal reaction. That normal reaction value is how much? Mg cos theta plus mv square by r sin theta. Why mv square by r sin theta? Because Fc sin theta. Fc is equals to what is the formula? Mv square by r only. That is equals to again Fc cos theta, that is mv square by r cos theta. Now everything I am solving and then getting the equation for the velocity only. And finally we are dividing the equation with cos theta so that we can get the easy formula, that is tan in terms of tan theta. Clear? Copy that. Seriously. You're looking very seriously, very. What happened? Everybody is sleeping or what? Please. You have to write that with high speed.
Die. Hey, guy. It's interesting. What are the
चलिए आप पहले स्वेटर पे करूँगी
connection? Cool.
I thought I was making joke. Joke is यार है nobody is there.
Problems.
Hey,
Yes.
Negative energy. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ negative energy. ದಯ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ.
Their wife.
Devil ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ.
with their wife.
Finished?
Yes, miss.
Then you have to find out the minimum safest velocity. Whenever the car is moving with a low speed, then you have to find out the minimum safest velocity. Find out that. Find the minimum safest velocity. Find the minimum safest velocity when the car is moving. When the car is moving with low speed on a banked road. With low speed on a banked road. You have to find out the answer. Draw the diagram correctly, then you will get the answer automatically. Minimum safest velocity only I said. Minimum है ना? 6.25 will come. Minimum banking you have to find out without friction. Friction is not there, by the way, don't take friction. What is the second problem formula? V square by Rg. Why? Because friction is not there. So that V square by Rg you have to find out. Then what is the V value I have given? 25 meters per second. See that? Second type of problems in the banking of the roads, that is banking with banking and then without friction. Without friction nothing but here radially outwards. Radially outwards, what is acting here? Centrifugal. Then this is theta. Then in this direction, what is acting? Fc cos theta. Along the inclination, what is acting? Mg sin theta. That's it. So it should not skid off nothing but the minimum possible banking of the angle nothing but that is mg sin theta should be is equals to what? Fc cos theta. Then mg sin theta is equals to Fc. What is the Fc? mv square by r into cos theta. Then gone. You have to find out the angle only na. Angle nothing but what you have to take? Sin theta by cos theta. That is how much? Tan theta is equals to v square by rg. V square by rg. Then v is equals to how much I said? 25 meter per second. So that's 625. That divided by radius is how much? Radius is 100. 10 na. Radius is 10 and then g is 10. So 6.25. Then theta is equals to tan inverse of 6.25. Nothing but above 45 degrees. The angle will be obviously above 45 degrees. So here theta is equals to tan inverse of 6.25. This is the minimum possible banking angle so that the car will not skid without friction, by the way. With friction nothing but obviously we have seen the bigger answer, bigger formula. What is the formula? Under root rg into tan theta plus mu by 1 minus tan theta. At low speed, at the high speed it will changes. So this is a without banking case. Everybody understood, right? First of all, they are asking that it is possible or not. Possible or not, nothing but you have to check. So how to check? Whenever it is moving on the horizontal circular track, at that time you have to take that velocity. They have given the velocity is how much? 25 meter per second. But what is the maximum possible velocity for the car? You have to find out. The maximum possible velocity for the car is V maximum is equals to first type of problem in the banking of the roads, that is without banking with friction. So V max is equals to under root mu rg, horizontal circular track. In that maximum possible velocity is how much here? Only 5 meter per second. But our car is moving with what speed? 25 meter per second. So that it is not possible, it will skid off. It is not possible. You have to write that conclusion also. Have you written that? Not possible. Not possible. Why? Because the maximum possible velocity is less than the given velocity. Less than the given velocity, so that the turning is not possible. The next case is for the same values of velocity and then radius and g value, you have to find out the minimum banking angle. With minimum banking angle, I said clearly that without friction. Friction is not there. So again take the banking of the roads. In that second type of problem, already we got that. What is the V square value we got? V square is equals to Rg tan theta, na? We got this under root Rg tan theta we got. I said clearly, just both formulas are same only. Instead of mu, what will get there? Tan theta. Why? Because friction is not there. Then again the same formula you have to take and then you have to find out the tan theta here. Tan theta is equals to how much we got? 6.25. Then theta is equals to tan inverse of 6.25. This is the minimum possible banking angle of the road. Clear? Let the next problem. Write that. Find the minimum speed. Find the minimum speed with which a car can turn on a bend without skidding. Full stop. If radius of bend is 20 meters and the coefficient of friction between the road and tire is 0.4. Yes, you have to find out the maximum speed with which a car can turn. Minimum speed, minimum I said, maximum. What is that? Root 18. Now radius is how much I said? 20 meters, no? How much? 4 root 5.
root 5 వస్తుంది
0.4 I said mu. 4 by 10 radius 20 na? G is 10. Root 100. 80. Ah yes, root 80 correct. Root 80 is correct. 4 root 5. Root 80 is correct. You got that? What is the formula? V is equals to under root mu r g. That's it. Nothing is there. I did not send that banking, no? Banking is not there. Only horizontal circular turn. A bend is there. Bend nothing but that is a circular track. Circular turning is there. So while turning, what is the maximum speed with which a car can turn nothing but V is equals to what is the formula? This is only V maximum is equals to mu r g, so that you will get the velocity is how much? Maximum velocity is 4 root 5. Root 80 we will get. Next problem. A cyclist what is Omicron? A cyclist speeding at 4.5 kilometers per hour. A cyclist speeding at 4.5 kilometers per hour on a level road. Takes a sharp circular turn. Takes a sharp circular turn of radius 3 meters. Without reducing the speed. That fell also like you people only. Full stop. The coefficient of static friction between the road and tires is 0.1. Between the road and tires is 0.1. In that first question, will he slip while taking the turn? Second question, will he slip if the speed is 9 kilometers per hour? Will he slip if the speed is 9 kilometers per hour? Check the possibilities. Got the answers? Will he slip? Nothing but what you have to find out first of all. The maximum safest value you have to find out. You have to check that the given question is beyond that value or below that value. Now. See that you have to convert into meter per second. Obviously, whenever you convert the 4.5 kilometers per hour into meters per second means how much you got? 1.25. 1.25. 1.7 like that, no? You will get 1.75. What I said 4.5, no? Wait. 0.27. 4.5 into 0.27. 1.215 exactly. Yes, sir. So the first velocity in the question given is 1.215 and the maximum safest velocity how much you got? 1.75. So that he will fall or not fall? He will not fall. So whenever he is increasing the speed to 9 kilometers per hour, then what happens? What the answer you will get? 2.5 you will get. So that he will fall or not fall? Then he will fall. Why people are silent? What happening? Nine kilometer per hour, nothing but how much you are getting? 2.5 exactly. See that in the question, what they are giving? Cyclist velocity is how much? Velocity of the cyclist 4.5 kilometers per hour. You have to convert into meters per second. 4.5 into 5 by 18. So that how much you will get here? 1.215. Silence. 1.215 meters per second you will get. This is the cyclist velocity, given velocity of the cyclist. In that first question they are asking that will he slip or not slip? So for that purpose, what is the maximum safest velocity formula? V maximum is equals to under root mu r into g. What is the mu value? 0.1. 0.1 nothing but 1 by 10. Radius is how much? 3 and then g is how much? 10. Then 10 gone. Root 3. Root 3 value is how much? 1.732. So that this is the maximum safest velocity. But our given velocity is what? Below that only. So that he can go safely, right? This is after this velocity, whenever he increase his speed, at least 1.8 also he will skid off. So below that what happens? Nothing but he will be safe only. So that velocity of the cyclist is less than the maximum possible velocity. So that he will not slip. The next question what they are asking, will he slip whenever the velocity of the cyclist is how much? 9 kilometers per hour. 9 into meter per second nothing but 5 by 18. So that this will be 2 times exactly, it will come as how much? 2.5 meter per seconds. Before the man was moving with what speed? 1.215 meter per second. Now the man is moving with what speed? 2.5 meter per second. Our safest velocity is how much? 1.732. So that the velocity of the cyclist is greater than the velocity of the maximum safest velocity. So that what happens? He will slip. He will slip. That's it. Finished everybody? Everybody got right answer? Yes, very good. Then next problem. Chiku problems kodta na? Bala chiku problems. A circular, write the problem. A circular race track of radius 100 meters is banked at an angle of 45 degrees. Then what is the first question? Optimal speed of the race car to avoid wear and tear of the tires. What is the wear and tear? Due to the friction, what happens? Tire will get damaged, right? That we call as wear and tear. Avoid wear and tear of its tire. Then next question, maximum possible speed to avoid the slipping, if the coefficient of friction is 0.2, find out that. Read the question properly first of all. First one,
Second one, 10
under root 10 root 3 na
10 root 10 means
10 root 10. Yes, very good, very good. Now ఫస్ట్ వన్ కదరా నువ్వు చెప్పింది, సెకండ్ వన్ చెయ్యి.
10 root 2
They are saying that banking road and then with friction, second one 0.2 is the coefficient of friction, no, so that bigger formula you have to use. Read the question, I have to tell everything. Read the question and then take the proper formulas. You get confused in this problem.
10 root 10
Only 10 root 10.
yes miss
ఎంత radius ఎంత
0.2 100
ప్రాబ్లమ్ రాయవు.
100 meters
Radius is 100.
100
100 G 10
10
tan 45 1 plus mu ఎంత
0.2
0.2 అంటే 0.2 తీసుకున్నాం.
divided by
1 plus
mu 10
yes, that's correct answer.
same
You
this
really cancel.
cancel
10 ఉంది
10 root 10
1000.
10 root 10
अरे चलो, this is minus रे below.
0.8.
What's the answer? 10 root 15. First one is 10 root 10. Second one is 10 root 15. You have to read the question properly first of all. Without that, you will not get the answer. 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Finished? Shall I do? Done. Very good, Kushi. How many of you got the answer? 10 root 10 and then 10 root 15. Yes, very good. Almost. Yes, very, very good. See that? See the question. A circular racetrack. Listen. Everybody listen. A circular racetrack of radius how much? 100 meters they are saying. R is equals to 100 meters. And then if the banking at an angle of theta is equals to how much they said? 45 degrees. And after that, what is the optimal speed of the race car to avoid the wear and tear of its tires? So that to avoid the wear and tear, nothing but it should not skid off, obviously. The friction should not act maximum. So at that time, here friction is there or not there? Not there, no, they did not mention anything there. They did not mention the coefficient of friction. Without friction only you have to find out. Without friction or with friction? Without only. First question is no friction. So no friction, nothing but the velocity is, what is the formula? Under root rg tan theta. Banked road without friction. Second problem. Under root rg tan theta. So that whenever you find out under root rg tan theta, what is the value you are getting? 10 root 10 is the value. Then second question is the what? Maximum possible speed to avoid the slipping if the coefficient of friction is how much? 0.2. Now there is a coefficient of friction. Banked road with friction. Banked road with friction, and also what velocity they are asking? Maximum or minimum? Maximum possible velocity. So that V maximum is equals to, what is the formula for us? Under root rg into 1 plus tan theta mu tan theta na 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. If you substitute in that formula, then what we are getting, V maximum is equals to 10 root 15. These are the two answers. Everybody got that? Yes. One. Mu plus tan theta by 1 minus mu tan theta. I cannot by heart the formulas. Pause the, stop that video. Enough.